This is going to be today's video review for Friday, October the 30th, 2015 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today we're looking at two higher charts just to give you an idea of where you can go with trading once you understand the concepts that we teach in visual energy analysis, VEA. So as price pulls back down, now this is at about 816, but this midline here comes in at 2084. We draw it here as a white dotted line here on the right chart, and it's actually this solid white midline right here on the left chart. Now this is our block that we teach in the course. In other words, the block's job is to continue the trend up. In other words, we retrace back to the block, just like we did here. We pulled back to the block and the trend continued. Well, what we're doing here is the same thing. We're pulling back to the block and we're expecting price to go up. Now it doesn't. Now how do we know that? Well, as price pulls back here and pushes up, we have lower charts, like lower chart frames, time frames, Renko bar, hybrid Renko bar chart frames that we look at here to see the trend continuing. So let's have a look at that now. So you'll see here on the left chart, I've drawn this value here, 2084. Price comes down to it, reverses back up. Now, in order for the trend to continue up from this point here on this right chart up, this upper yellow here on one of our focus charts has to be up. And you can see our brick tops are going sideways to down, indicating brick momentum, that this upper yellow is unable to push, this energy from this line here, 284, is unable to continue the trend and push it higher. Plus we've got this dotted line here which pushes energy down. So in this upper area of the yellow, what we're doing at about, I guess it's 8:15, we're looking for signs in this upper yellow area that price is down. Well, price strong, the dots, if you're joining us, just above the solid white midline, pull back into the mid here. This is the solid white midline on the left chart, drawn as a dotted line here on the right chart, pushes up into the crest of resistance. This time the dots are weak below the solid white midline, and on the red brick our trader's short. Now we've got a target of much lower, and this is our target down here, 2077. Because this midline here is unable to push up, price cycles from these energy band tops to the energy band bottom. So that's our target. So as we get short here, along the way we have several other opportunities. If we miss that one, we could add on or even do further shorts. So the support that was drawn here, and our white dotted line hooks up, becomes a value of support. We could have added a short on here and here. Right here, it makes no sense to be selling the support acting like resistance here, because you'll see that the, let's see here, where are we? Right here, all the bricks going up through it are all green. So you can't sell this support possibly turning into resistance. But this valley of support turning into resistance where the down pink arrow is, right here has the opportunity to sell short. And as we break down through the next valley of support, we have another opportunity here and here. We have one final opportunity here, but you can see that what takes place if you were to sell this right here. Now keep in mind, you're selling directly into a midline. You want to make sure the block is weak before you do so. But we've already reached this target down here, so price is going to struggle and this lower energy band is going to hold. If you're interested to learn further and you have questions, please send them at jb@drummondenergybands.com. And thank you for a great week, and I hope you have a great weekend.